What's going on, YouTube? I'm here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2011 Cadillac SRX. So what you're going to do, you're going to come over to the passenger side. You'll need a screwdriver, Phillips. That's how the cabin filter looks. Go ahead and open this up, and wow. So is this piece right here. You're going to have 4 Phillips, 1, 2, 3, and 4. For some reason, these are already loose. Cabin filter may have already been done, but anyway, so you just take this, take the 4 Phillips off. I can actually do these by hand, which is nice. Set those to the side. So you got 4 Phillips, and then this cover or panel pulls right on out of there. The cabin filter is right in here behind this. You want to pry on that release tab, bring one side forward, do the same on the opposite side, and then you have this one up here that you got to lift up on. Angle's horrible. So right up here, you got to lift up on that, pull forward. You want to get that line out of the way. Once you get that line out of the way, this has not been replaced, so I don't understand why that was loose. That line off of there. You pull that on out of there, and you can see it has the arrow pointed down for airflow. So if this one has an arrow, you point that one down as well. So you just stuff the new cabin filter back in there. Make sure you're not messing that line up. You push that back in place. You push that top one back in place. And you push, let's see if you can see that side one. The side one looks just like that one. You push that back in place. Then you take this. And you put that on back up there, and you install the 4 screws, and that's how you do a cabin filter on a 2011 Cadillac SRX. Pretty simple. It literally should only take under 2 minutes. Obviously, when you're not recording and talking and working with one hand. I'm just throwing those back in there. But if I helped you guys out, give me a thumbs up, and leave comments if you got any questions or anything. And thank you so much. Have a good day.